the camera here. You're rolling. Oh, this perfect opportunity. Welcome to Micaela's Wildlife Animal Cookie Show. I'm taking our sounds in style. The Shrek cuisine skirt, the pink fashionista belt, the fabulous diamond ring, fabulous bracelet, yeah, fabulous coat, my shade, yeah, and my cuisine. What do you think?
Girl, that's not working.
Black Mamba, what are you doing here?
You look disgusting.
Well, that hurts my feelings.
Sorry.
Where are you?
In your hair.
What the? How'd you get on my head?
I teach the other animals to disappear. I gave them some of my magic powers.
You little... Oh, okay then. What's that kind of going to be? Where'd my ring go? And my bracelet? My hair? My glasses? My fabulous belt? My pink cuisine skirt? My jacket? What the heck is this?
Now, girl, that is working on you. What do you think? We go hit the pub.
Oh yeah, pub! Oh great, you already beaten me!